How to set screensaver to display Google Photo on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. So you will see display is here. So click on Display. Now here, scroll down and click on screensaver. So after I click on screensaver, click on photos. So after I click on photos, click on the settings icon. So after I click on this settings icon, click on camera and click on photo fill screen and zoom effects. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set screensaver to display Google Photos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.